This is the HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So let me briefly show how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. From here you want to get to the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard settings, which you can do by either going into the additional keyboard options and tapping on the settings icon, or you can also launch the General Settings app, then enter the System and Updates, Language and Input, Default Keyboard, I guess, no, the Celia keyboard. And of course, my bad, yeah, that's not the Microsoft Swift keyboard, it's the Celia keyboard. From here, go for the let me get back quickly. Go for the input, or not input, keyboard, and simply switch on the show number row toggle. And as you can see right here, that will essentially mean that the separate number row unsupported characters at the keyboard of this device has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.